Hello, welcome to Noka Digitals. In these tutorials, I'm going to walk you through how to install a WordPress on your PC for free using Localhost. Sometimes you want to design a website but you don't have the means or you don't have the money to purchase a domain and a web host. So these tutorials, I'm going to guide you how to install a local host for your WordPress and then use it to design your website. Without wasting my time, let's get started. My name is Isaac Owari and I'm the CEO of Noka Digitals. So in your browser, enter localwp.com and it will bring you to this site. Then you locate download at the top right corner here. Click on download and then you are going to have this. So select it and then choose your platform. So which Office are you using? Windows are you using? Is it Mac or Mac Apple or Windows or Linux? I'm using Windows, so I'm going for Windows. And then enter my name. So first name is Isaac. Second name Owari. And then here choose your organization type. So please choose your organization type. Click on it. I'm going for agency and then type in my email address, owariike1985@gmail.com, and then you click on get it now. So it will automatically start downloading the application for you. Since I have it on my PC, I will not download it again, but I will locate where I have installed the download and then install the application. It's about 600 plus megabytes, so it's huge. I won't download it again. Now locate where you have download your application. So mine is on download. So this is it. Double click on it. Click on next. Click on next to install. So you wait for it to finish the installation. Please subscribe, like and share so that others can also have the video. Good. Now the installation is completed. So since it has already, select the run local. You click on finish Okay, so let me do some settings here. So you click on the plus sign there, here this sign, then you go to continue, and then you enter your website name here. So enter your website name. My website name is Local Digitals, and then click on continue. Click on continue. Then here you enter your username and then the password. So Noka, the password that you remember. So make sure you remember the password. And then you are going to have a default email here. You can change it and then enter your own email address here, as I have my email address here. And then you click on add site. So you wait for it to create the site for you. Accept this for it to continue the installation. So you can install as many websites on this as you want. When you look down here, I have another one, Local Digitals combined, and then this one is also installing. So you see it's adding the WordPress. Let's wait and see what's happened. And it's now installing the WordPress for us. If this is your first time, my name is Isaac Owari, and I'm the CEO of Local Digitals. I design websites for companies, schools, churches, etc., and also train people on how to design a website. You can visit my YouTube channel and learn more about how to design a website. So now our installation is complete. I have changed the interface here. So if you don't want the background like this, you can go here and then come to preference, and then here you click under the theme, click on light, and then you apply, and you are going to have this. But I will maintain the dark because I prefer that one. Good. And then what else? Let's go to site. So here you change it. Okay, it's already done. let me see, advanced. Okay, so here also you see it as this site domain. Change it to localhost and then apply it. You change it to localhost and then apply. What else? Okay, since we are done, okay, so you close this. Now I did some changes. Sometimes you see, because you change your email address and other stuff, you see fix this error. Click on that one to fix it for you. Mine did not show. I don't know, because I've already installed this one. That's why I'm having that. Okay, so now when you click on this, it will take you to your website, and then when you click on WP admin, it will send you to your WordPress dashboard. So let's see. Let's click on this one first. Let's click on this one. Okay, so you see this is our website. This is the default one. Good. Now let's click on WP admin and see. So you see it's asking us to enter our email address, and I don't want this because I may forget my password. So this is what I will do. Let's go back to the dashboard, and when you look at this side, say click admin. So turn it on and it will select your knocker for you, or the name that you use. And then now let's click on the WP admin and see. Good. So now it has brought us to our dashboard, and we can develop our website from here. So this is your WordPress dashboard that you'll be using to design the website. Let's click here and then uncheck all this. Click there to uncheck all these things. Good. Now you have a very beautiful interface here. What else? Let's go to appearance and theme and see. So these are the default themes that we have, right? If you are on this page without even internet, you can still have access it. So you can, if I turn off my data right now and want to delete this one, I can do it. Okay. Good. So this is how we installed a WordPress on our PC for free using WP, localwp.com, or the localhost to design a website. Then you go to plugins. One thing you have to know is you can design your website without or with limited website, but when you are installing a plugin, you need to have access to the internet in order to install the plugins. Okay. So these are the plugins, and I'll be walking you through how to design a beautiful website. Please, if this is your first time, as I said earlier on, my name is Isaac Owari, and I'm the CEO of Noka Digitals. We design websites for companies, churches, schools, and also train people on how to design their own website or to become a website developers. Sorry. I also, when you visit my website, Local Digitals, yeah, this is my website, my personal website. And the work that I've done, my project works. Okay. Okay. So if you want me to design a website like this for you, I can also help you to design one for your own, right? Okay, this is not the reason why I'm here. I'm here to guide you on how to install a local WordPress host on your PC for free in order to learn how to develop a website. Please subscribe, share, and then comment. Click on the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you have access to it. I will end here and then see you later.